Nature is beautiful. We often say Mother Nature is so beautiful. Then I ask myself, how fair, how kind are you to nature? We often say when the last tree dies, the last man dies. And there is a saying that goes, water is life. So I want to ask you, how fair and kind have you been to nature? We treat nature like we do not depend on it. But I must confess that our lives, however, depends on nature. We depend on nature to survive, however good or bad it is. We need carbon dioxide. We need to breathe it out to take in the oxygen. That's how beautiful nature is. We need the birds of the air. We need the rivers and everything. We need the trees. If the last tree dies, the last man dies. I want to urge you to, from now, take a moment and look at how unfair you have been to nature, how mean you have been to nature. Now reflect on your life and ask yourself, what addition have you had on nature? Have you added anything to nature? Have you ever tried to make nature beautiful in your own way? Have you ever tried to make nature your everything? I must tell you, nature is beautiful. Mother Nature is beautiful. And everything in nature is beautiful. God created everything. And God asked man to take dominion of his creation. And taking dominion is you take care of it.